Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be heading back to our Asyncio series, and we're going to be trudging through this, and we're going to learn what awaitables are. So, all right, what is an awaitable in Asyncio? So you've already seen coroutines, and basically it's the building blocks for anything that's going to use await. So we've used await for coroutines. Then the next group are tasks and futures. So we're going to build on these, and I really don't want this to get out of hand or too overwhelming. So we've seen the simple coroutine where we just use sleep and await, and then we call it later through main and run. Then we're going to touch, but this is probably, see, this does not work because there's no await. This works because it has awaited even though it's another function. So I know that this can get very tricky, but again, await is the defining of an awaitable. All right, so and the awaitables are coroutines, tasks, futures. So I just want to make sure we're driving this home, and we've already touched on coroutines. We're going to be expanding upon tasks and futures. And just like everything else we do here, we do micro videos and we're going to build upon them. So next time we're going to be tackling tasks and going from there. But I don't want this to be overwhelming, and we're going to go through this very simply like we always do. That's why it's so important that if you're new here and you haven't joined us before, you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we are very focused on explaining every video that we do, and we don't want you getting lost. And most important, comments and questions and video requests, because that's kind of what has built this channel. So please, please, please drop anything below, because if you have a question, somebody else has the same question, and it needs to be asked, because I know I have gaps sometimes. I try to go very, very slow and cover everything, but there's been times where I've accidentally deleted a video or forgotten I recorded it or something like that. So please, if you have a question, please drop it down below. And asynchronous programming can be very, very challenging. So real quick video today, laying out the structures, because this is very important, and these tasks are very important. Excuse me, these objects, should not have used task, excuse me. So we will just go from there. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.